Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 benefits of incorporating red tiger's eye, the Stone of Motivation and Stimulation, into your everyday life. For those who've watched my videos before, welcome back. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And this is an opportunity to learn about red tiger's eye and how it might support you in your daily life. And just a note that it is currently storming outside, so if you hear some heavy downpour, some thunder, that's what's going on. Red tiger's eye. Now, this is a really brilliant red, and it flashes in the light. It's a dramatic looking stone. And this is a heat-treated gemstone. Red tiger's eye does not happen in nature. It is when regular golden tiger's eye is heated that it turns this brilliant red color. And this is one of the heat-treated gemstones that I do still incorporate in my crystal healing practice, because the act of heating it and changing its color so dramatically shifts its energies from the solar plexus chakra down to the sacral chakra, and it still does have a very dramatic, energetic effect on us. And if you'd like to watch a video about heat-treated gemstones and treated gemstones in general, then I can link that video in the eye above. And if you do feel like red tiger's eye is a gemstone that you'd like to work with more, then I do have Reiki tumbled red tiger's eye available that I tumbled myself in the online store, along with red tiger's eye bracelet and gemstone sets and pendants. Those are all available in my online store, and I'll leave the link for that in the description below. Red tiger's eye, also known as dragon's eye, is a really lovely stone. And the first benefit of incorporating red tiger's eye into your daily life is that it gives you energy. It helps you get up and get moving. It's like drinking a cup of coffee or having some caffeine when you need it. It provides energy to the body and the mind and your energetic system. So whether you need some physical energy, getting up to get ready for work in the morning, or during that afternoon slump, you're feeling pretty tired, this will help you physically. Like if you need to really get some mental or physical energy up to go to the gym and work out, or creative or mental energy to work on a project. This stimulates all types of energy in our life. So this is good to keep nearby for those times when you just feel like you need an extra boost of something to get you going. And the second benefit of red tiger's eye is that it helps to unlock creativity. This is one of those stones associated with the sacral chakra, which is home to our sense of creativity and reproduction and creating something new. And so if you're feeling like you've had some creative blocks, or like a writer's block, the motivation to start something new just isn't coming, then sitting with red tiger's eye and just like clearing your mind of any need to try to create something will allow some of those ideas to start blossoming and rising up to the surface, because you're essentially putting an energetic block on yourself when you try to be creative, and red tiger's eye helps unlock that and just dissolve that blockage and allows it to come forth for you. Look at that. It's great when you're working with a team of people for brainstorming ideas. This is a really good, useful work stone. Red Tiger's Eye in general is great for work in all of its aspects. The third benefit of Red Tiger's Eye is that it increases enthusiasm and motivation. So if you've been working on a project for a long time and it's really starting to feel dull, your get up and go for that is lagging, then sitting with Red Tiger's Eye will remind you of why you wanted to do that project in the first place. It reminds you of that initial enthusiasm and excitement that you had so that you can really work on it to completion. Also, if your daily routines, your everyday tasks are starting to feel a little dull and stagnant, then Red Tiger's Eye helps you to be more present in the moment and notice those things and take note of the freshness of them. Maybe give you some ideas on how to switch things around, or just really look at them again and notice them again. And maybe they feel less dull. It gives a new freshness to our daily life and tasks. And then finally, another sacral chakra benefit of Red Tiger's Eye is that it helps fan the flames of your love life. It brings spark back to relationships. So if you're in a long-term relationship and it's starting also to feel a little stagnant, then this helps bring the passion, the desire, the spontaneity back to those relationships. So if you sit and meditate with a Red Tiger's Eye, you wear it when you go out on date nights, or you put large specimens on your nightstand, or you create a grid with Red Tiger's Eye and other sacral chakra gemstones in your bedroom, then that will also keep that energy flowing in the bedroom to help ignite those sparks in your love life. And if it's not a long-term relationship, if it's a new relationship and you just want to feel that excitement and appreciate the newness of that relationship, then Red Tiger's Eye really helps you enjoy and appreciate that aspect of yourself and your love life. So, Red Tiger's Eye is a stone of passion and liveliness. It's one that really wants you to feel alive, to get moving, to do and accomplish things, and just get the most out of life. It's a really beautiful and powerful stone in that way. So if you feel that Red Tiger's Eye is a stone that you would like to work with some more, then in 2 days on Saturday, I'll be posting a guided meditation with Red Tiger's Eye. So if you feel like you'd like to work with this energy some more, then you don't even need to have a Red Tiger's Eye to benefit from the meditation. But if anything in this video, or if anything in the guided meditation really speaks to you or triggers you, then that's a sign that you should get some Red Tiger's Eye and work with it some more. If you're new to this channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post these videos about the healing and supportive benefits of the gemstones. And on Saturdays, I post a guided meditation designed specifically for that gemstone. So if you're interested in learning about a lot of different gemstones and how they can support you and how you can use them in your daily life, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation on Saturday. Thank you.